This is Drew Gallagher, and I'm going to show you how to start a meeting in Zoom. So if you're on your computer, what you'll do is you'll search for the app. I'm on a Mac, so I use the search functionality here. I open up Zoom, and you get to the dashboard, and we've already gone over scheduling a meeting. But if you want to start a new meeting, there's this new meeting button. If you want to make it full screen, you can click the button in the top right, and that will make it full screen. And there's some different features here. You can share your screen, you can have a little chat box that pops up, which is pretty neat. You can also record the meeting. You can share your screen. Let's share a screen just to see what it looks like. Notice that there are a lot of different ways you can share. You can just share your desktop. You can have multiple screens or multiple desktops on Mac. You can have a whiteboard that you share. So let's do the whiteboard. So you can actually draw on the whiteboard, which is pretty cool. Especially if you're trying to teach somebody something. And notice this bar comes up when you're in the Zoom meeting. You can stop sharing, you can click here. Your meeting ID will be shown on there. If you want to invite people to the meeting, you can click this invite button and enter their contact information. If you want to end the meeting, you can click the button in the bottom right. You can end the meeting for all or just leave the meeting. It's a really great video client, super reliable, and it's an amazing way to connect with people that when you're trying to work remotely, it makes it easier, or if you're trying to hang out with people or friends virtually. If you want me to do another video on Zoom on some of the different features in depth, then say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.